Now YouTube, what is up, man? I'm back here with another video. Alright. Finna go on a little POV drive. It's beautiful outside, 61. You know what I'm saying? So we might as well get this POV going. My loud Scat pack, play with the exhaust a little bit, cut through neighborhoods, go get gas. Alright, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you know when I post and when I post. Okay, this channel is nothing but car content, Mopar, truck, anything related. So if you enjoy that, this is the channel for you. Alright, hit that sub button. I post weekly content. Alright, so if you messing with me, man, let's chase 5K. I'm at 3K right now. I appreciate all of y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna take y'all on this POV drive and let y'all hear the exhaust, and we gonna go crazy. Damn, my God. I'm sorry. Golly. Golly. I'm gonna have people looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh, man. That bust is right. Yeah. She bark, bro. She be barking. Let me know if y'all like these POVs, man. Y'all mess with the POVs, let me know. She be barking. It don't make no sense how loud this shit is, yo. No back. Oh, man. That's my progressive thing. Don't worry about that beeping. Let me cool out right here. This is where the police at. Hold on. I used to had to get away from 12, but we back. We back here. That bag out of here. You know, if y'all want more POVs, but I'll give it to y'all. Loud exhaust. Straight pipe. Mufflers, resonators gone. Damn. That thing's sexy, boy. What up, baby? Yeah, I'm on a POV right now.
This bitch need it bad.
Oh no, I'm God. Yeah, I'm on a POV right now, man.
Oh yeah?
I gotta get gas too.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'm out running errands. I was like, let me pull up on you real quick. I seen a beast. I was like, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. All right, you two, I had to pull up on my twin real quick. Dang, I almost dropped my phone. Hold on, baby. Yeah. Scat Pack Challenger with the shaker. Right, we on Broadway. Alright, YouTube, I just got gas. Yeah. Hell. Yacht. Yeah, she's gonna scream. Yeah, Mustang. Somebody in a Mustang just honked at me. She too loud, boys. She too loud, boys. I hope nobody snitch on me. But she is loud. It's all right. Well. Yeah. About to come to an end on this little POV. Woo! Fuck. I had to put my car away. God. Alright, YouTube, that's going to conclude today's POV, man. If you enjoyed that, please let me know in the comments. I'll do more of these loud exhausts. Alright? Please hit that subscribe button, man. Give me the 5K. I'm at 3K right now, man. I appreciate everybody, for real. From the bottom of my heart, really appreciate y'all supporting me and rocking with me. Alright? If you're new to my channel, hit that sub button like I said. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Enjoy this nice weather. We out.